In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix power icon missing on taskbar in Windows 10 PC. So friends, to resolve this issue, right click on taskbar, then click on taskbar settings. Scroll down and click on turn system icons on or off. Here you will see power icon. Turn on this power icon on taskbar. So now as we can see, power icon is appear on taskbar. If it's not work, so click on this back arrow and click on select which icons appear on the taskbar. So here you will see power icon. Turn on and slide to on this option. That's it. So by this quick and very super easy method, you can turn on and show power icon on taskbar in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thanks for watching.